Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make the dipole antenna for 40 meters band. I'm gonna use these two rings, these parameters M3000 HM, diameter around 32 millimeters, external diameter I mean, and I'm gonna use the coax RG223. This one I'm gonna make 4 turns, 2 in one direction and 2 in the opposite direction. I'll just make 2 turns right here, then in the opposite direction the second 2 turns. We have 2 parts of the dipole, the left and the right side, and coax. If you use the coax without this core, the current leakage is possible when the current goes to the antenna from the transmitter. It goes on the center, on the inner side of the coax. When it arrives into this part close to the antenna, it can go to the outer side of the coax or just go to the antenna. In this case we put the ring and all currents goes to the antenna right here, and from the inner side to the antenna right here. Let's see it again. This is coax, this is center line, this one, and the second one. This parts of the dipole. This is coax. The current goes right here and inside the coax right here. First one goes right here into the antenna, but the second one goes inside the coax. The first way right here, the second way right here. You put the ring right here, coax, several turns, and the current goes only right here. Just prepare this plate to hold this balloon and wires for the antenna. I'm gonna use this wire. The wire has 3 steel wires and 4 copper wires. Just made the one arm of the dipole for the antenna. You don't need to cut the wire, just bend it on the side. The length of the wire around 11 meters. When I bend the wire, I have 10.5 meters for the one of the arm of the dipole. I'm gonna make the second arm for dipole the same size, 10.5 meters, and I'm gonna cut the around 11 meters. Finally, I have 2 dipole arms. I'm gonna solder right here and add the resistor 390 kilo ohms. This resistor protects the devices from static damage. Finally, the antenna is assembled. I need to seal everything right here, and I'm gonna test the antenna in the forest. I throw the rope on the tree, on the one of the branch of the tree. Let's install the antenna. It's simple antenna and easy to use and easy to assemble. The antenna should work pretty good. The coax which I'm using right now is RG 223. Yeah, let's put the rope right here around the tree. The antenna is installed. Inverted V dipole. The antenna is too long. I need to make the dipole shorter. Let's make it. Finally, I made the antenna shorter. The center of the dipole around 9 meters from the ground. Finally, I have the parameters for 7 MHz. SWR is pretty good. Antenna works on 40 meters band. Let's connect the radio. In the box I have the radio G90 and this battery. Let's connect the antenna.
Спасибо, Олег. Счастливой удачи сегодня. 73. Роман Николаевич. Хороший. Мне нравится такого.
Знаю.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey Portable.